At around 7:30 a.m. today, a sudden fire broke out at a rubber factory located in 11th Mile Mausmai Basti Bhoi'S district under Khanapara police station. According to information received, the smoked rubber at the resource rubber plant located in the residential area of the village suddenly caught fire, where about 4 tons of rubber inside the factory had burned to ashes. The incident was immediately reported to the police and fire department, where after about an hour or so, 2 firefighting teams from Meghalaya and Assam reached the spot to bring the fire under control. Property worth several lakhs of rupees was estimated to have been damaged due to the fire. An atmosphere of panic was witnessed amongst the people of the entire village, where they ran helter-skelter with the animals they have been rearing. In the meantime, questions were raised on the location of the rubber industry in the heart of the village, which residents say has polluted the entire area.